Welcome to Health Talk. In this video, we are talking about cinnamon. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is an ancient aromatic spice that comes from strips of inner bark of the cinnamomum tree. The strips are dried until they curl into rolls or sticks. The sticks can be ground into fine powder, made into extract or used whole to flavor foods, drinks, gum and more. Cinnamon can help reduce the inflammation that leads to stiff, swollen joints for so many of us. Benefits of cinnamon. It reduces blood sugar. Several studies suggest that cinnamon may aid in controlling blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. It also reduces fasting blood sugar levels. And these effects can be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It improves heart health. Thanks to its antioxidants such as polyphenol, which help fight free radicals in the body to combat oxidative stress. This powerful spice is thought to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. It does so by controlling blood sugar levels and lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. In fact, a study published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine found that men and women who consumed just 120 milligrams of cinnamon a day, just a pinch of the spice, for 12 weeks enjoyed a significant reduction in blood pressure. It relieves inflammation. The antioxidants in cinnamon can help relieve inflammation, which may help lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, cognitive decline, and more. Researchers have identified many different types of flavonoids in the spice, all of which are highly effective at fighting dangerous inflammation levels throughout the body. Because this powerful spice lowers swelling and prevents inflammation, it can also be beneficial in pain management. In fact, studies show that it helps reduce muscle soreness, decrease menstrual pain, lessen the severity of allergic reactions, and relieve other age-related symptoms of pain as well. It speeds weight loss. The spice can have a big impact on your waistline. A study in the Journal of Food Biochemistry found that cinnamon helps support weight loss by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing cravings for sugary foods. The spice is also thought to boost metabolism. And while benefits can be seen with as little as 1 gram a day, study subjects who took more than 3 grams of cinnamon a day, that's less than a teaspoon, noticed the most dramatic weight loss and reduced their body mass index. It boosts mood. Because cinnamon increases the production of the mood-regulating brain chemical serotonin. It can help prevent blue moods. It also helps lift brain fog, improve memory and attention span, according to a study published in the journal An International Journal on Nutrition, Diet and Nervous System. Brain bonus, a separate team of scientists discovered that cinnamon may help protect the brain from age-related decline found in Alzheimer's disease. It reduces allergy symptoms. Those with allergies may find relief thanks to the multitude of beneficial compounds packed into the spice. In fact, it may help combat common allergy symptoms because it's been shown to reduce inflammation and fight histamine reactions in many animal models. It reduces the risk of cancer. Increasing evidence suggests that cinnamon is toxic to cancer cells, causing their death and reducing the formation of blood vessels in cancerous tumors. A study in BMC cancer found cinnamon extract kills cancer cells by inhibiting the proteins NF-kappa B and AP1, which are involved in inflammatory and immune responses in the body. Sweetens up recipes without sugar. Because of its naturally sweet taste, adding cinnamon to foods and recipes can help you cut down on the amount of sugar you normally use, effectively lowering the glycemic load of your meal. It already has anti-diabetic effects that slow sugar absorption and may help curb cravings by stabilizing blood sugar, but using the spice for its naturally sweet taste is yet another added benefit that can boost blood sugar control. It's a great sweetener for people with insulin sensitivity. It contains no added sugar and minimal calories yet is high in many nutrients, making it an extremely healthy addition to many meals. How to use cinnamon? It can be incorporated into your daily diet in numerous ways. Consider adding a pinch to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. blending it into smoothies or baking into muffins, cookies, or bread recipes. You can also use cinnamon to spice up your favorite stews, soups, and more.